Hey, welcome back. My name is Emily and I'm excited to be here today sharing a card using the new flower heart or the rose heart from Miss Ink's latest release. I will be sharing how I colored some parts of this in, and in the end I will also share a close-up of some of the new products in this release. I will not share everything because I don't have everything. I will share a picture with what I think is the entire release, but you can go over to the website and check out the whole release if you like. I'm excited about this because it's both stencils, dies and stamps in this release, and I really like the flowers and sort of magical theme to it. I really like it. I think it's a good one and it's a fun one and it's a different one, so go check it out. I think it's worth looking at. And as I said, I will share a close-up of some of the new items here in a second. So you can see I just picked some of my favorite color combinations here, going around all of the flowers, and then I will color in the sort of leaves here in a green shade in a second. I will do that off camera, but it was really easy. I went from the top to the bottom of the leaves with a darker color, and then I filled the rest in with a lighter marker. And you can just play around with your favorite mediums and see what goes well for you. This went really fast for me, and then I fussy cut out the heart, and to create some interest I took a piece of cardstock. I believe this is Sprout from Concord the 9th, and I just went in with my scoreboard and created some texture to it using my scoring board here, as you can see, and then I will attach this to a standard A2 size card front and layer my heart on top together with a sentiment that was previously released that says congratulations. And that finish off our project for today. I will go in with some bling and you can see a close-up here in a second. But if you like to see the close-up of the rest of the release, stay tuned because it comes right after this picture. Bye! Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop in real quick before I end this video and just share the products that I have from the latest Miss Ink release. I just love watching videos like this where I can see a close-up of the products. So to start off, this is a really cute little bear stamp set with a bunny holding the bunny's hand with the raindrops and the sun and the clouds. Really cute. Rain or shine, I'll be by your side. Super sweet. And then we have this one. It's the beautiful heart that I colored in this video. I just love this stamp set. I think it's amazing. And then we have the Highland Cows stamp set. I have a previous video up in the corner here where I created a card with this. It was up, I think, 2 days ago. And in this release there is also these amazing stencils. To start off, we have this beautiful sort of flower stencil, and then we have this geometric pattern that would be fantastic for any background. And then we have a couple of layering sets. So we have bear hugs, really cute, and you can see the etching, I hope, in here. And you also get the bear that lined perfectly with this, and the little face and the nose part, so you can mask and put down ink on those as well. There is also, I believe it's this one, there is also a heart mask that you can use with that. And then we have a fantastic 4-piece layering butterfly that is really beautiful. So we have all of the pieces here for the butterfly. I can't wait to play with this one. I think it will be so much fun. And you also get the masking part, really sweet. And then the last thing that I have to share from this release, it's the daisies. I think this may be the best one to share because you can see all the etching here. You can also see the etched here, so you know exactly where to line up your paper so everything fits. And we have this one, and the last layer. So that was all the things that I have from the latest release. I know that products will be available today and up on the website. So go check it out if you're interested in seeing the rest of the release. And I know that Instagram will also be full of inspiration from the design team. So until next time, have a great day. Bye!